Think and manifest is simply not a concept from the New Age teachings. We have the book by Napoleon Hill, which says, think and become rich. As a matter of fact, the concept of thinking and instantaneously manifesting your thought comes from the first patriarch in the Bible, Abraham. When Abraham wanted to sacrifice a goat for the Lord, he just manifested it. He didn't go and buy a goat from someone. He had the ability to manifest his thought, and he thought of a goat, and that goat came to life, and then that was sacrificed. This tradition was lost and then was revived by Kabbalist tradition. So this is going to be an important topic that I would be discussing during the Jewish power sounds and comparing it with the Indian yogic power sounds. It's very interesting that Abraham is also present within the Hindu tradition. Abraham is called Brahma. The spelling is almost the same, except Abraham has the A front of Brahma. Brahma is the creator God. So Abraham, no doubt, knows how to create. It's not surprising that Abraham's wife is also the Indian tradition. She is called Sarah too. Saraswati is the full name of the wife of Brahma, who is the creator God. So it's just a joy to reflect on the two traditions. Probably they originated from one tradition in the beginning and then came to be recognized and recollected as two different traditions. So I'm very delighted to do this program, comparing creation in the Judaic tradition and creation in the Hindu tradition, both through the words or sounds.